problem is that traditional education is not caught up with us. Traditional education is broken.
What we need, and the word's been used many times during the course of the past few days, is not evolution, but a revolution in education.
Hi everyone, my name is George Galicianos and I'm an Assistant Professor of Learning Technologies at the University of Texas at Austin. I'm also Canada Research Chair in Learning and Technology. Conversations about education reform are everywhere. We hear that education needs to change, that education needs to improve, and that technology provides some of those solutions. Educational technology, however, has a long history filled with lessons about how people learn, why technologies succeed or fail, and how technology can be used to change education. In this course, we will examine some of the history, research, theory, and debates about educational technology.
Hi, my name is Audrey Waters, and I'm a writer at Hack Education. In this class, we'll address a number of important questions about education technology, including what are some of the most important education theories of the 20th and 21st century, and how do they pertain to teaching, learning, and technology? What can we learn from the history of EdTech? And why should educators and technologists pay attention to the field's research, theory, and practices? Why have past EdTech efforts failed? Why have they succeeded? What do we know about how people learn? And how might technology influence this? Join us to learn more.